Friends, so today I'm going to talk about spring retry mechanism in this video. So to work with the spring retry, basically we need two dependencies. One is spring retry, another one is expect j waiver dependency. Okay, and so basically what is spring retry and where we will use? So spring retry helps to automatically retry a failed operation in case it might succeeded on a subsequent attempt. Okay, here I am calling order service. This order service internally calling item service by using this endpoint. So here the item service is down. Okay, so if the order service want to reattempt 2 or 3 times, okay, so by using this item endpoint to calling this item service. So how we are going to be call so that item service? Okay, I am going to show you with the help of spring retry mechanism here. Basically we have to use 3 annotations. So first annotation we have to use is the threat of enable retry. Okay, so this enable retry we will use on the top of this main application, and after that so we will use retryable annotation. So this retryable annotation will take value. Okay, so this order services is going to be throw some exception if the item service is down. So let's say, so that is runtime exception. So I'm going to provide this runtime exception inside this value, and after that, so how many attempts you want to be try here? So basically I want to try 3 attempts here, and we need to provide some backup here. So basically this backup will provide some delay. Okay, so that delay I'm going to take 10,000 milliseconds here. Okay, and we have to provide some fallback mechanism here. Okay, if the order service, sorry, if the item service is down, so with the help of recover we are going to call this order service fallback mechanism. Okay, so here I'm providing some message item service is down, and I'm providing some internal server error here. Okay, so that's it, and so let's make it this attempts as 0, and so let's say that so I'm just providing some loggers here, item service called. Okay, so let's start this application and test it out, guys. So now item service is down, right? So let's hit the endpoint and check. So it has to be attempts 3 times because we have provided 3 attempts here. Okay, so 1 attempt, second attempt, and third attempt. Okay, so we got the output item service is down. Okay, so now I'm going to hit it this again, this endpoint, and I'm going to start the item service in the meantime. So let's hit this endpoint and let's start this application. So in the 3 attempts, so it has to be call that item service, and we have to get that item service output. So instead of fallback mechanism, this time we are expecting so item service output. Okay, so we got item service is called. Okay, so only 2 attempts is attempted, and the third attempt, before the third attempt item service is called because the service is up now. So we got the output item selected. Okay, so that's it, guys. So this is how it will work. So that's it. So if you like this video, so please go ahead and like and subscribe my YouTube channel.